Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward Paranati, and I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and the head trader of True Trading Group. In case you didn't know, we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist last year for Best Data Analysis Tool, and we're currently the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education platform that combines university-level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We day trade, swing trade, also cover long-term investing. There's literally something for everyone in True Trading Group. Why should you listen to anything it is that I discuss on this channel? It's simple. I did not figure this stuff out by watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job out of college, where they had me go through a training program before they let me touch $1 of the fund's money. And then 2008 happened, and that was the big recession, the stock market crash. But it's also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. You fast forward now, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, along with my team of 8 professional full-time trading mods and over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. 10,000 members in 115 different countries. That is the TTG fam. So if you guys are here on this channel, you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. Make sure you smash that like button, show some love, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of these videos or my live streams. I'm going live this Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. You don't want to miss it. I'm going to share with you on Sunday my top trade ideas for the week. It's going to be kind of a funky week next week. At the July 4th holiday, the markets are a half day on the July 3rd, and then markets are closed on July 4th. So it's going to be a little bit of a funky week. We're going to make it count. We got 1.5 less trading days to make our money next week. But I have some fantastic trade ideas I'm going to share with you live on Sunday. I'm also doing a very exciting giveaway. You guys have some chances at some really great prizes, totally for free. So just set your reminders now, okay, for 8:30 p.m. Eastern live on Sunday. Let's kind of recap what happened here this week, what I think the markets are going to maybe give us for next week, because we put in a nice double top today. We got a nice double top in play today on the SPY, and you guys can see, I'll just zoom in real nice and quick. There it is. Look at that. Real nice double top. Okay. There is your all-time high. We got there today, all-time high, and then you rejected off it and you kind of sold it back off. You sold it off to the downside, so as a double top. Nice increasing volume on that double top. It's also the final day of the quarter, so you're going to get some increased volume going into the final day of the second quarter. We'll start up next week with the start of the third quarter. Can't believe we're already past the second quarter. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. But as we take this a little bit closer to a 3-minute chart, you guys can see it even more clearly on the 3-minute chart. You can see there's that top and there's that top. And then once you got that top, I mean, you really sold it off, right? You really sold it off. Nice big rejection. It wasn't just a shallow pullback and a consolidation, because this would actually be a bullish sign if that's a price action that you got. Instead, you double topped and you sold it off to make that fresh new low, which to me kind of confirms that double top and puts into play now some bottom support levels that I think we need to discuss and to focus on. We talked about this inside of chat today on our platform, and all of our members are well aware of it. And it was 543. And this is the first support level that you need to be paying attention to. Okay. It says 543. All right. This is support level number 1. And you can see we had all this resistance back here from the 12th, 13th, 14th. And then once you broke through that level then became support. We dropped into it today. And wouldn't you know, today it also held support. And now here we sit. What I think you're going to be looking for is, now that we have this double top in play, I'm actually going to look for this 543 level to break. And if this 543 level breaks, next support target is 540, and the 540 are these bottoms from the 12th, 13th, and 14th. You guys can see that nice little support level right there at 540. I think these levels are very, very clear, and I think these are the 2 support levels that we have to be paying the most attention to. And then bottom support level is 537, which the 537 is going to give you these and I would switch to a 15-minute chart to clean the chart up a little bit. That previous resistance from the 7th and the 11th, and then this is also that big gap up after CPI. You have now this big open gap here. We can go back down and we can fill that gap. So the 3 support levels that I'm looking at for pullbacks into next week: 543, 540, 537. I don't know if we get all the way down to 537. It's possible. But for me, 543 and 540 are really where my focus will be going into next week on the back of that double top at all-time highs on the SPY. All right. But you got to break this 543 area first. And once that level gives way, then I think you can really look for the pullback. All right. So that's just some analysis there on the overall markets. Again, Sunday evening at 8:30, I'm going to go live. We'll go over the futures. We'll see where the futures market is trading. And that's the level that we're really going to focus on. Okay. And again, there it is. All right. So that's a level that we're going to focus on. We'll check on Sunday and see what the futures market's doing. But that's my thoughts there. Recapping a really great week. Tons of triple-digit gains today or this week in chat, alerted by the moderators in True Trading Group. But again, True Trading Group is not just me. There's 8 other professional traders that are alerting their trades, sharing their screens, talking on the microphone, that are with you each and every single day. If you guys want to trade with us, be my guest. Come join our trial. It's 7 trading days. You guys can trade with us. Download the mobile app. You'll get real-time push notifications whenever one of our moderators enters or exits a trade in real time. Go to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelled out.com. And you'll enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay $3 and get your button chat. Why do we charge $3? Simple. Guys, first, there is no automatic renewal on the trial. There's no automatic upgrade to a regular membership if you forget to cancel your trial. It's a one-time payment of $3. After your 7-day trial is over, it simply expires. You're never charged anything again. But I remind you, it's 7 trading days. So you can join the trial right now. As I make this video, it's Friday, June 28th. Your first day of your trial will not start until Monday. And then the markets are closed on July 4th. So that does not count against your 7 days either. You get 7 trading days on our platform. Okay. Go to ttgthree.com. Now, the reason why we charge $3 is to make sure that you're just a real person and make sure that you're serious about this, because we maintain a very high quality chat room during the day. There's thousands of people on our platform at any given moment with one goal, and that's to make money. I will not jeopardize the quality and the integrity of that chat room by people that are coming in there, being disruptive, spamming chat, and distracting our members from accomplishing that goal. So by charging $3, you've got to put your credit card information, tells us you're serious about this. And if you're serious about it, we're serious about having you as our guest. But again, it's a one-time payment of $3. There's no automatic renewal. There's no automatic upgrade to an annual membership. It's just $3. That's it. Go to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelled out.com, and go ahead and join our trial and get your butts in chat. It's going to be a great week for us next week. So let's recap on some of the big wins from this week. Rivian takes the cake, 700% gain on Rivian on call options. This is a trade that was entered on Tuesday and was exited on Wednesday. Now, full disclosure, we did not know that this news was going to come out. Not trying to pretend like we had inside information or anything like that, but there was a very clear technical setup on Rivian. And then obviously we got, a little bit of, luck was on our side with the news release, but even before the news, this trade was already up 100%. And let's talk about what the technical setup on the Rivian play was. And it all comes down to this $11 zone, right? Here it is. I'll draw the line out for you. There it is. There's the mark. You guys can all see resistance, resistance. Then support, 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 support. Then you broke underneath it. And then you can see resistance, resistance, resistance. And then you can see there's more resistance. Well, on Tuesday, we opened up above this level. Okay, we opened up above this 11.15 level. And then the level became support. And that was the buy signal. Okay, that was the buy signal there on Rivian. Gapping back above the level. You also had news on Tuesday with an analyst upgrade. Okay, we had an analyst upgrade on Tuesday as well. So that was a bullish catalyst for the stock as well. And I'll zoom in for you guys. Here it is. We'll draw that line back against that $11 area. And there was that. And then there it is. You gapped above that level in the morning. You pulled back in. And once you pulled back in and bang, you stuck it. And then right there is the confirmation. The stock reclaims view up. And there's the entry long on call options on Rivian, alerted by Andrea Weber, one of our moderators inside of chat, and members jumped on this thing and were able to catch this huge push in Rivian into the close. Obviously, took profits off along the way and then held on to some of the position overnight. And then the company announced that news with the deal with Volkswagen, and the stock gapped up to $16. And that was good for a 700% gain on those Rivian calls. That's trade of the week for sure, hands down, no question about it. I mean, that's one of the bigger percentage gains that we've had on the whole year. So congratulations to members and to our moderator, Uni, for that trade there on Rivian. We also had a really great swing trade on FSLR. And again, triple digit bangers going off here, guys, as once FSLR broke key support, and here it is. I'm just going through quickly, recapping for you guys these trades and why these trades were taken. There you guys can see support. That level then broke. And then you can see resistance for an entire week. And then that's when our moderator, Shai, stepped in there with put options on FSLR with a nice swing trade, and then peeling profits off today right into that 50-day moving average. That's the dark blue line on my screen. That's good for a couple 100% gainer as well. And big shout out to all of my teaching members that are going to be attending our options swing trading boot camp this weekend, who's actually hosted by Shai, the moderator that actually executed on this trade. So congratulations, everyone that was able to capitalize on the FSLR short to the downside. Then you had some other really big winners on Amazon to a new all-time high. This is a trade that we've been talking about a lot on this YouTube channel. And once you broke through that previous all-time high, and here it is, I'll show it. There's one top, there's two tops, there's three tops, and let's keep going. Oh, there's more, and there's more, right? So there's your resistance at the all-time high, and you can see we finally broke through it. And once you broke through it, we'll go back. Here it is. There's the top. Once you broke through it, it was just all systems go. This was another triple-digit gain for the team inside of TTJ. So congratulations, guys, on Amazon to a new all-time high. And we're going to keep Amazon on watch for next week, actually, for pullbacks back into prior all-time high to see if that's a buyable zone now. So actually, Amazon is on the watch list for next week as well. And then same thing goes for Alphabet. And very similar play there for Alphabet. It was just a break through prior all-time high resistance. You can see we had three different tops here of resistance. That was all-time high. And you can see 2 days in a row, double top there against that prior all-time high. And then you had the breakout day. And the breakout day was a really nice trade for the long. And then you got some follow through going into Wednesday and Thursday. And we'll just go back to breakout day. Here was the breakout day, right? Here's that line that I draw on my screen. You guys can see there's the tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this trade was actually entered right here on the reclaim of VWAP. As you know, this was just kind of a bullish signal here where you had this nice little double bottom intraday. And it was like, okay, all systems go here. Bullish on, was bullish on the overall market, and you were able to take out that all-time high. And once you took out the all-time high, which was right here, the rest is history, right? Nice follow through for Alphabet over the course of the next couple of days. And that was another triple digit banger inside of TTG. And we're going to keep this on watch, just like Amazon, right? Because we're going to pull back in now to retest that prior high. So just like Amazon, we're going to see if that prior high is support. We're going to see if if Alphabet has support now at that prior high. All right. So there are just some recaps on trades of the week inside of True Trading Group. It was a fantastic week for members, fantastic week for mods, and everything else. So I think next week can be even more fun with the setups that I see out there. I've got a bunch of stocks on my watch list for next week: Chewy, Moderna, Amazon, Alphabet. I got a lot of stuff that I've got my eyes on. I'm going to spend some time over the weekend to build out my watch list and give you guys my number one. I'm going to give you guys my top 5 trade ideas for the week. Exactly my game plan, how I'm going to make money, what stocks I'm focused on, what are the entry prices, what are the exit prices. We'll go over it all live, 8:30 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. So make sure you set your reminders. But first, join the trial, right? Don't just hear me talk about these trades. Be there with me when we get filled and our orders are executed, and trade these things with me live. Go to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelled out.com. Enter your name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this. Pay the $3. Get your butt in chat. Remember, it is a one-time payment. There's no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring fee. There's no automatic upgrade if in case you forget to cancel. After your 7 days are over, it just cancels and expires on its own. You're never charged another $1. Go to ttgthree.com. I'll see you all in chat on Monday. Set your reminders for Sunday stream. Have a great week.